Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to get Canva Pro for students. Okay, first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your Canva account and go and click on your profile picture on the bottom left side. Then go and click on plans and pricing. And now you want to click on education. Then here you have this option, get verified. And now you will have to provide your student account. And this one ends with .edu.eg, just like this one right here. It ends with .edu.eg, but it is very long, so that's why you cannot see the whole email. But it ends with edu.eg. It should end with edu, not necessarily to end with eg. Eg is just for refers to Egypt, so it ends with edu in most cases. Okay, this is only for the clarification and for the honesty of the video. I just want to be honest as much as I can, and thank you for understanding. Now, you should put in mind and put in consideration that in some cases, they might send you a small pop out message that they will ask you to fill some information about your school location, your school account. You have to type it. They may ask for the specific address or the full detailed address of your school or your university, whatever that you are enrolled in. And of course, you'll have to provide the school or the university name. And after that, you'll notice that the Pro features are unlocked to you and you can use them freely. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.